What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2015 Buick LaCrosse unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, the battery's out of it. None of the buttons working on the key fob, and our vehicle's locked. So what we're going to do is press the button to flip out our key on the key fob. Then I'm going to use that to unlock the driver's door. Turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. Now, as soon as I open the door, the vehicle is going to start beeping. And we're going to have about 10 seconds before the full-blown alarm goes off. How we're going to prevent the alarm from going off or stop it from going off if it does go off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with the dead key fob is I'm going to get in, I'm going to open the center console, and then in the very bottom of it, there's a place where we're going to place the key fob. And then we'll be able to start the vehicle as normal. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm may start going off. See here, the vehicle beeping at me there. Need to get in, open the armrest, put the key in that little pocket like that, and now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So once you heard there, once the vehicle starts, it will turn the alarm off. And then you'll also be able to drive your vehicle as normal once it does start. Take one more little look here about how that key sits down in that transmitter pocket. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in that key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.